Looking for the best Overfire grills? In this video we look at some of the top 3 Overfire grills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, Sunnydaze Decal X Marks Fire Pit Cooking Grill Grate. Pros: comes in 3 sizes. Round shape helps to maximize grilling space over a fire pit or campfire. Works well with a cooking spray. Well made and sturdy. Small spaces between the wire openings give you versatility as far as what you can grill. Can sit directly on top of fire ring. Cons: the biggest challenge is getting correct size for a fire ring. It might be best to order a size up. Bottom line: a grill designed to hang on your tripod for a lot of Overfire grilling space. At number 2, Ozark Trail Outdoor Equipment Heavy Duty Camp Grill. Pros: cook surface has a small grill pattern, which allows you to cook a variety of foods without the food falling through to the fire. The legs on this sit 8 inches high, giving good distance off the coals while still putting food close to the heat. A decent size for cooking. Heavy construction. Can hold a cast iron skillet or cook food directly on top. Cons: some meats, like bacon, may be too greasy for this setup and cause the fire to flare up while cooking. Bottom line: campers will like this portable grill made for cooking over an open fire with legs that fold in for flat storage. At number 1, Campingcom Adjuster Grill. Pros: comes with a lifetime warranty. Includes a 14-inch stake. Has an adjustable height. Nice width on the grill itself as well as the grill irons. Great for leaving over a backyard fire pit. The stake can be left and the grill completely removed when not in use. Ships quickly. Will work with cast iron. Cons: this grill works on a stake, which makes it a little harder to set in place and less stable than others. You may want to find a longer post. Bottom line: the great thing about this grill is that you can swing it over the fire while cooking and swing it out when your food is done and use the grate as a serving surface. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.